What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Sorry I've been gone for a minute. I've had a bunch of stuff going on in my life, so I haven't been able to come on YouTube and make a few videos. It's just been a little hectic with work and with the baby and everything. So let's get our freaking day started. We're on our way to the gym, about to drink our freaking pre-workout. We're gonna get a good session in with my boy Sergio with the Long Travel Blue Tacoma. I'll show you guys that when we get there. Today we're gonna be doing something super exciting. We're gonna be dropping off the truck at Ian West Fab. He's gonna be redoing the whole front of the truck. So new front bumper, polished skid plate, valence, everything. It's gonna look freaking crazy. I give you guys a sneak peek, but you'll see it at the end of the video. But let's get the truck dropped off. Let's get to the gym, get our session in, and then we'll see where the day takes us. Look who we got here. Where's he at? Where's he at? Where's he at? Hey. Pretty much, yeah. But it's cool. Ooh. Yeah. Damn, this rear setup is sick. 2.5s, 2.5 bypasses with a spring under kit, total chaos. Yeah. Sheesh. Look, almost essentially the same kit as mine. Damn, this thing sounds fucking pretty mean. I think it has like an MBRP or something like that. Okay. This truck is so sick.
Several days later.
Gotta love that Corona sunrise. Good morning, fam. Okay, guys, so I picked up the truck. We're in the Silverado right now. Dude, it looks so sick. I'm gonna put a video in right now of Ian at West Fab explaining the whole bumper, the thoughts behind the bumper, and the process of building it. What's up, guys? I'm here with Ian from West Fab.
So, man.
Bro, you want to kind of explain the process of what you did here, or?
Yeah, well, first of all, I just want to say thank you for bringing the truck, bro.
Anytime, bro.
Appreciate it. Thanks for the opportunity. Not a lot of people want to do something crazy like this, but just want to say thank you, bro.
Anytime, bro.
Appreciate that.
A little over the top with what we did here.
A little bit over the top for everything. So yeah, it's a 3-piece skid plate, valence combo, and then obviously we did add your sensors on it.
Yeah. Which is way better because like the look of it, the way like the valence is matte and like everything else is gloss, especially with like the little gloss accents, because of the parking sensors, it like goes with the whole theme. Since the grill is matte with the gloss and everything, I feel like it all ties in super well, especially the way the polish is on the skid plate, the way the polish is on the emblem with the headlights. It's like
most definitely
literally like I feel like probably the best setup you can do.
Yeah. Not a lot of Silverados are running this type of bumper. A lot of people run like a Dirt King bumper or something, like a Missoula style bumper or something like that. So it's very more aggressive. Obviously the frame rails are chopped, pushed back, grade 8 bolts, and then the bottom skid plate, the bottom mount on the subframe.
Yeah.
And yeah, it's pretty tough. It's all one big giant piece. So the whole bumper comes right off. Frame rails and the bottom subframe, the whole bumper comes off.
So it's a whole one piece.
It's a whole one piece bumper, yes.
Okay, for sure. And then you retained the OEM metal bumper, which is super cool. Even though you obviously had to chop it.
Yeah. I wasn't able to use none of the supports or the skeletal frame for the back part of the bumper. There is like a custom, I would say, tabs and frames, just like right here.
Okay.
That hold everything up. So there is a big giant tube that's in the back of this bumper that holds everything up. But obviously it's welded to the frame, and then obviously welded all the way down to the bottom tube, which holds everything up.
What's the hardest part about doing this?
I'm trying to learn how to polish every day, so that's probably the newest thing that I'm probably learning.
And it does look super good, bro. This is already like a fucking mirror.
I try my
best. Already looks like a mirror.
Thanks, I try my best. Yeah, but I've always loved fabbing, man. Fabbing is something that I've always liked to do. So yeah, especially bringing beautiful trucks like yours, bro. So
thank you, dude. Thank you.
This is a beast, man. A beast. Definitely digging your setup, everything, the pink shocks. Not a lot of people are running bypasses on their new truck, Yeah,
we gotta make it a little bit different,
Yeah.
All right, dude. Well, Thank you for explaining it to me. Thank you so much, bro. I appreciate you. The shop is getting crazy. You guys are getting obviously a little bit fucking busier every day. Every time I come, there's like another 2 or 3 trucks here.
Yeah, definitely.
And just telling by your Instagram, I can see that you guys are fucking busy all the time.
Yeah, if you guys ever need like paint match, fiberglass install, bumpers, you know, we just barely started doing long travel kits and stuff like that. So hopefully we'll be out there.
What's your specialty?
Right now, just doing bumpers, but my partner, he's the one that does the paint and everything for a lot of stuff. So, yeah, fabricating so far.
Okay,
yeah.
for sure. I'll throw the Instagram down at the bottom. You guys can go follow them. You guys can go look at the stuff that they do, the work that they do, and all the crazy stuff that they're going to be doing. And yeah, thank you again, bro. I appreciate it. Definitely the nicest part of the truck now, to be completely honest with you. Like, just the way it came out, how aggressive it is, like, for sure. In my opinion, the best looking front end you can do on the Silverado so far.
Yeah, my opinion as well.
Hell yeah, bro. Well, thank you again. I really appreciate it, dude.
Thank you.
It's the next day. I'm back at work. Thank you guys for clicking the video. Drop a comment. Let me know what you guys think about the bumper. I have a few more things that's coming for the truck. The rear fenders, the rear bed cage, some Deaver springs, 3.5 by 16 king bypasses, which I haven't found yet. So you guys know anybody selling some, please let me know, because I need them ASAP. We're gonna redo the rear bumper. We're gonna redo a bunch of other stuff that's gonna come in the next videos. I think I'm gonna take out the truck to the desert first. I do need to rebuild my shocks because something happened. We'll go over that in another video. But I'm gonna go get the shocks rebuilt. I'll probably take it out in a week or so. I'm gonna make another video doing that so I can show you guys how the truck's handling and how it's driving. Then we'll go forward from there. If you guys made it this far, drop a comment, please. Show me who the OG supporters are. All the new subscribers, thank you guys so much for clicking the video and watching my channel. I appreciate you guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.